Yo guys, it's me again, and today I've got something new. So today, you've heard of things about fidget spinners. I got one, check that out, that was my last video. And there's fidget cubes. And yeah, so you all know that I've got a fidget spinner. But do you know that if I've got a fidget cube? But yeah, here's my fidget cube. Do you like it? See, this is what I love about it. It's camo, right? That's just really good. It's just nice. Because if you just get a plain one, it's just plain. But this one, you've got the joystick. You've got a rolling ball. And you've got like the combination lock almost. You've got 5 buttons, if you can see there, and then 3 click. Well, if I get it right, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 don't. And then you've got this spinny thing, whatever it's called, and then you've got a switch, and then a soothing stone here, if you can see that. So yeah, that was just a quick video. Oh, and one more thing. You know my fidget spinner? It just fell off. I've customised it a bit, and I'll show you right now. See, I've spray painted it. I've spray painted it black and silver, and it looks like a bit of a galaxy effect, a bit. And then I've swapped it for a pink, and I've got blue, like these plastic things. But yeah, it still spins around. I was thinking of hydro dipping, if you've ever heard of that, and yeah, so this is quite cool. If you can't hydro dip, just spray paint it. It's very, very effective. So yeah, that was just a quick video. That was my dad. Yeah, I'm a complete idiot. Well, not an idiot, but just complete weirdo. Yeah, that was just a quick video about my new fidget cube. And yeah, go and check these out. And go and check Ellis's channel out. He's got a fidget spinner. And yeah, so I just got a fidget cube and customised that. And one other quick thing, I've learnt a couple of, well, not learnt some, but know how to do that. Balance it on one. Do it on the thumb. Do it on 2 fingers. And I've learnt how to do this one. I've learnt how to do, if you can see, that one. Yeah. Okay, guys, that just fell off. Yeah, I just had to put that back together. And there's a nose one. I will get this. That was just another one on the chin. Yeah, so, and on the knee. I'm going from side to side. Let me just put that one back. And yeah, so from there to there, obviously. And yeah, that was just a quick video about fidget cube and fidget spinner. So yeah. So yes, that was just a quick video. And yeah, just please like and subscribe and peace.